that Cleo? Give her a hug. Yeah. That's your baby.
Uh-oh.
What? That's her foot.
That's her shoes.
Yeah, that's her shoes. Let her down. There you go. Loosen up on her. Allie, loosen up on her. That's Cleo? Is that Cleo? Is that the rat?
It's a what?
It's a rat. Be easy with her. She puts up. Don't stick your fingers there. Allie. Be easy with her, Allie. Okay. That's your baby? Uh-huh.
Uh-oh. It's a what?
That's your baby.
It's okay.
Put her down. There you go. Hold on to her.
You might hit the target.
It's a rat.
It's the rat?
It's a rat.
Yeah, it's Cleo. Be easy with her. Allie, I think you're choking. There you go.
Baby.
Put her in your lap.
He's just...
Don't hold her tail. Easy with her, easy. She's putting up with quite a bit from you. Yeah? It's okay, Cleo. Good girl.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Daddy, see you're taking good care of your Cleo?
Oh.
She's running from you. I don't blame her. Ouch. You got her holding on to me because she's hanging for dear. Quit hanging her by her neck. Hold her right.
What?
Hold her the right way, honey.
Whoa, wee.
Don't shake her.
What's that for?
Oh, she pooped on you, didn't she?
Up on it.
You shook the poop out of her.
Let's go. Quiet. Don't.
Put her down. Poor Cleo. Okay, I want to rescue Cleo.